Only human. Hmm. 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 Whoa, what's going on? How did I get up here? What is that me? A human? A guy? A dude? A bro? A sir? Oh no. Only human. Ah, yeah. Calm down, Garfield, calm down. Since my shriek of terror didn't wake anyone, I assume nobody's home. Oh yeah, I forgot John was taking Odie to the vet. The vet, I guess it's just you and me, Pookie. What am I going to do? Rumble. Thank your stomach. Lunch. Let's have a lunch. Hmm. John doesn't have much in the fridge. He hasn't restocked since my midnight, post midnight, and post midnight pre dawn snacks. So that leaves going out. Leaves going out. To Vitos, of course. And go hello credit card. That means going out in style. Vitos, here I come. Slam. Eek. Oops. Forgot I need to wear clothes now. Having to wear John Arbuckle's clothes. One of my worst nightmares. And it's coming true. Note to self. If I ever turn back into a cat, remind me to destroy this hideous affront to fashion. Hey there, Sophia. What's shaking, Monica? Oh, so you're gonna be that way, are ya? Hey, Brutus. What's up, Papa? Grr. Bark, bark, bark. Brutus, come on, it's me, Garfield. Well, at least my tree climbing skills are better as a human. As is that sad or what? Bad dog, Brutus. Leave that nice man alone. Sorry about that. Brutus isn't so vicious. He just has a problem with strangers. Hey, not a problem. I can't blame my dog for not liking a cat. I mean a stranger, not a cat. I'm a person, stranger, not a cat, stranger, right? Person, that's me all the way. Anyways, I'd better be going. Be running. Needed to hit Vito's for lunch. Oh, it's starving. I'm starving. Mind if I tag along? I'm no problem, and lunch is my treat. Thanks to John Arbuckle and his bottomless credit card. Hello, welcome to Vito's. What can I get you, miss? I'll have a Greek salad, fat-free dressing, no frittata, and unsweet ice, iced tea with lemon. Very nice, and for you, sir. Okay, buddy, you better hope you're warmed up your writing hand, 'cause I don't want you to cramp up. I'll start with the. I will. I'll have the Greek salad and a Caesar salad and a mozzarella. Wait, make that three antipattos and a pasta, spaghetti and meatballs, spaghetti and meat sauce, spaghetti and all Italian sausage. Fettuccine Alfredo, linguine with a calm sauce, clam sauce, linguine with a vodka sauce, Fernini with pasta 5, cheese, let's see. Am I going too fast for you? Why don't you start with the salads and I'll finish my order when I get back. Do you always eat so much? You look so thin. Me. Nobody has ever told me I looked thin, even when I was just a green kid. I guess I am then. How weird is that? I haven't seen you around here. Are you new to the neighborhood? I lived here for years. I mean, the colleague, chum. John Arbuckle is my roommate. These are his clothes, by the way, so don't blame me for looking like fashionable paws. Yes, I say I like your outfits. Very hipster. Here is your salad mix. And here are your salads, sir. Come. Whoa, you must be hungry. Always. Sir, here's the first wave of food. We've sent someone out to buy more pasta and sauces. Be still my beating taste buds. So what's left? Oh, looks like that salad is mine now. Here you go. Oh, Garcon. This on here. Here's my credit card. Keep the food coming. I'm sorry, sir, but the credit card is expired. This credit card is expired. Oh, I guess that's why John left it in the counter. Rats, now what do I do? Sir, you have another way to pay. Cash or another credit card. Sir. Warp. Garfield. Hey, buddy. You okay? You fell asleep while eating that big bird. Bird woke while eating. There's a big bird woke you up. A dream. It was a dream. This is alright. Garfield, you shouldn't eat so fast. So fast. And you probably shouldn't eat that so much. So I ate too fast and I ate too much. Sue me. I am only human. The end.